West Indies batter Devon will be using the West Indies Players Association WIPA to source legal representation after he was slapped with 7 charges for breaching ICC Anti-Corruption Code of Conduct. As we'll hear in this report from Jerome Foster, it could be a very long road back for the former West Indies under-19 captain.
33-year-old Devon Thomas is still being backed by his territorial board, Leeward Islands Cricket Association, following the ICC Anti-Corruption Unit slapping him with 7 charges which include contriving to fix matches. President of the Antigua Cricket Board, Kuma Rodney, says despite the accusations, Thomas is confident that he will be exonerated when all is done.
We have spoken to Devon, and obviously, the whole adage of innocent until proven guilty. So we are prepared from Antigua Barbuda Cricket Association, and I know that President Lewis at the Leeward Islands Cricket Association Cricket Board also has reached out to him. So yes, we are very much in supportive of him until this thing is over.
However, Barbadian attorney Ralph Thorne says things will not be as straightforward for Thomas when he offers a shot in the disciplinary hearing.
He has a harder time before the ICC tribunal than if he were in an established court of law on a criminal offense. What makes his job harder as well, his job is harder too because, interestingly enough, the ICC tribunal may derive evidence from other tribunals. In other words, if another tribunal convicted Thomas of a similar offense, they may use that as evidence. Now, that rule does not exist in ordinary law.
It's a difficult one. It certainly shocked me when I woke up this morning and got the news. I'm hoping that the matter is dealt with swiftly. So one way or the other, we know what the facts are.
Thorne is adamant that for there to be any form of leniency, the right-hander who has played 1 test, 21 ODIs and 12 T20s must start in one particular area.
The first thing he has to do is to cooperate. And by cooperate, I mean to attend the hearing. And when he attends the hearing, to answer questions. Cooperation comprises those 2 elements, attendance and answering questions at the tribunal.
Thomas has since been replaced in the West Indies ODI squad against the United Arab Emirates by Johnson Charles and is now seeking legal assistance through the Players Union.
I personally have spoken to the President Waver Hines and WIPA are definitely supportive of what, representing him. So WIPA is the one that's taking the lead at that.
The charges against the Antiguan are related to his conduct while playing in 3 franchise-based tournaments: the Lanka Premier League, the Abu Dhabi T10 and the Caribbean Premier League. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.